Oh! Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look. Vegetables. This is a big one. It looks a little bit like a tree. It's broccoli. And it's green. Oh, hey, look at this one. It's very long. And bushy at the top. And wow! Crunchy. Long, bushy, crunchy. I know what this is. It's celery. And it's green too. Looks good. Very leafy. It's from the garden. Shh, don't tell me. Oh, it's lettuce. And it's green. Broccoli. Celery. Lettuce. They're all vegetables. And they're all green. And they're yummy. Time for lunch. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.